Okay, hey y'all, so I'm using the iPhone again. So guys, I'm so excited. I need to tell y'all why I'm so excited. Okay, so today is Monday, Monday, June 10th, okay? And first of all, let me say welcome to my second channel. If you found me from Ms.Milkywayy, thanks for joining me on this second channel as well. On this channel, I will be doing all of my hot topics, discussions, vlogs, lifestyle, just everything me, like I want to do that won't suit Ms.Milkyway's content will be on this channel. Okay, and let me tell y'all why I'm up in this car, okay? So, today's Monday, like I told y'all. And I'm getting my hair locked. I'm getting my hair locked, okay? Later in the week, I'm gonna tell y'all why I chose to do it, and maybe I may make a separate video on it. But I will be also documenting my lock journey on this channel as well. But I'm in the car because my brother also locked his hair 2 months ago, and he's searching for a friend. He really searching for a friend, and I've been contemplating whether or not I'm gonna just shave my hair off. This rain is really disrespectful. I am trying to talk and you are raining. Anyways, so he locked his hair 2 months ago, and yeah, so I was either gonna shave my hair off, but I'm like, okay, maybe I'll consider locks. I've been rocking, you know. Anyways, that's another story for another day, but I don't want him to know that I'm locking my hair. So this whole thing is like gonna be like a surprise to him, and I'm just so excited for this journey. Like, I'm literally so excited. So anyways, because I'm about to make a hair appointment with my hairdresser so she can do my starter locks for me. So let me just give her a call right now. Hopefully she answers her phone, because she just don't be answering sometimes. Please answer. Please answer.
Hello, we are not available now. Please call again.
Okay, let me try her other number, y'all. Hopefully she answers. This appointment is for Wednesday, 2 days from now, but I just want to make sure, like, I have openings for, she has openings for Wednesday.
Your call has been forwarded to an automated voice messaging system.
All right, y'all, so it looks like I'm gonna have to have my mom give her a call because she don't answer her phone. So I'm gonna have my mom give her a call. I'm gonna call her back tomorrow to set my appointment for Wednesday. But like I said, I don't want my brother finding out. That's why I came outside in the car, because he's just annoying. That's the whole reason why I'm doing this thing. Plus, I just like to troll him, so. Guys, so my appointment is booked for this Wednesday. I'm so excited. He's not gonna know what's coming. And just to clear this up, I'm not doing this for him. I'm doing this for me, but he's just gonna be surprised that I decided to go ahead to do it, and I just don't want him to feel like he found a friend in me. But yeah, I'll see y'all. As I'm sitting here, I'm like watching a LOC video right now. I hope you guys can hear me, but I'm watching like a LOC video right now, and I'm about to cry because I'm like, yo, I'm actually about to like lock my hair tomorrow. Like, oh my god, like I'm excited, but I'm like so scared. I'm so scared, like, oh my gosh. But y'all, I have my hair out right now, and I have to wash it after I do this reaction. But oh my gosh, this is no longer gonna look like this anymore. Oh my gosh, it finally hit me. Oh, bro, I'm going through some mixed feelings right now. It's D-Day today, guys. It's D-Day. Today is the day. Guys, it's happening. I got 3 done in the back so far. I was kind of
twisting it tight to it.
Yeah. So overtime is gonna.
I'm twisting and twisting. I don't have to do that. I could just twist it and it could be fat.
We're almost done, guys. Guys, starter locks are in. I'm so excited. Right now I look like Curly Sue or something, but you know, because we used the Cancel curling cream and then the cream of nature curl milk. But yes, guys, we are.
It costs New Jersey's consumers and businesses millions of dollars every year.
Guys, so Matthew's here to pick me up, and let's see what he thinks about my hair. Hello. Oh, she couldn't find your pick. She couldn't find your pick.
So you have your 2-strand twist for your dreads?
Nope. These are for my lock, my full lock installation.
Oh, are you kidding me? What are you doing?
These are for my dreads!
Don't pump me like that.
I'm not playing. These are really for my locks.
Don't pump me like that.
Matthew.
No, you're joking.
I'm not joking.
You're not serious.
I'm legit getting locks. These are my locks. These are my starter locks.
No, they're not. There's no way you're joining me.
Okay, I'm not joining you. I'm doing this for me. But I just didn't want you to know. You don't believe?
Okay, girl.
Ask mommy.
Okay.
And guess what?
What?
Ask Shannon.
What do you mean ask Shannon? What do you mean ask Shannon?
Ask Shannon.
Wait, did she already know about this? Wait, did she already know about this?
I told her.
Wow. Wait, what did you tell her?
I told her. I just told her. Don't worry about what I told her.
No, she a whole fiend. She's a whole fiend. Because earlier today...
I'm just playing with you. These are just for a twist out.
Of course.
I'm playing. No. I'm just actually, no, I'm legit playing.
I don't believe you.
Matthew, these are for my logs.
You need to show me the text then. Between you and Shannon.
It wasn't a text. It was in person.
In person?
Yes.
So you told her this at that thing?
Don't worry about when I told her.
Chances are she probably forgot.
No, but this is really for my logs. So I've made the decision, not because of you. I didn't want to tell you because you just keep bugging me about it. And you were really searching for a friend. And I just want you to feel like you found a friend in me. So.
Wow.
But now I'm doing this for me. One, because I'm going to just tell y'all, because I'm vlogging this. I'm doing this for me.
Us.
But you may, anyways.
You're doing this for us.
Anyway, so I got my twist in, and I'm so excited! And if you don't believe me, you can ask mommy. Mommy,
no, watch her junk lock faster than mine.
No,
bro.
it is because I legit have the twist that Angie did. The twist I had for Angie, I put it in for 2 weeks, and they started to lock already.
I should have done 2-strand twists, to be honest.
I've been doing my research. I've been watching mad videos. You can check my history, check my Pinterest.
Yo, all of y'all are fiends, yo.
I've been doing mad research, yo.
All of y'all betrayed me, but I aided in the persuasion process.
No, not really.
I didn't aid in the persuasion process?
Matthew, you've been wanting me to get dreads since for like years now.
But that's the point. Didn't I just aid in the persuasion process?
I told you I was either going to cut my hair off. But then I was like, you know what? Maybe I'll just try the locks. And then if I don't like it, I'm just going to cut my hair off. I'm going to cut my hair off anyway.
I was talking to Randy about you and you're here.
Nah. You know, I was playing with you the whole time. At first, I was serious about the whole commitment thing. But as time went on, I'm like, no, I'm doing this junk. Especially when I had to wash my hair today. I'm like, no. Anyways, y'all, I'm so excited.
So I got pulled off for Mandy. When were you gonna tell me that she did all of that?
She went and said, no, she's surprised.
This is the starting
Yeah,
phase.
Amanda looking nice.
These are just twists.
There's a starting twist, no?
These are just starter locks. So over time, they're going to expand and get so so thick and just so luscious and beautiful. You have
Even down to Shannon, no.
Yeah, I was like, Shannon,
apparently
you.
she
Yeah,
knew.
Shannon,
Shekinah
no.
knew. You remember that night when Shekinah said, "Are you getting the dreads?" She almost blew it for me. I said, "No, Shekinah, I'm getting faux logs." I'm like, you can't tell black people nothing. She almost blew my whole cover, yo.
What's
That
with
can
the
move from
issue
side
now?
to side. You think you the only one that can do middle parts? You think you the only one? You not.